$50 off your next service. That's right. This video is about our new referral program. From here on out, we are going to offer $50 for any of our existing clients, or even if you're not a client and you want just a credit towards a service that you're thinking of using in the future, we're going to give $50 to anyone that just gives us a referral that connects us to a new client that gets onboarded as a maintenance customer. We want to be able to give this gift of referral to our existing client base and really just thank our clients for when we do receive a referral. Since we do receive so many referrals, what better way to give back than to do a $50 credit on their account for any type of landscaping service at all that we offer here at AMS Landscaping. So if you have a regular maintenance client and you're getting your yard service for $95, every visit, it's going to be $50 off the next visit. If you have a fertilizer service or a pre-emergent service or whatever service that you have or you may want with AMS Landscaping, you can use that credit towards that. So once again, my name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. So check out our website at azlawns.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Instagram and X, formerly Twitter, at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.